Practice your reading skills. Hi friends, welcome to Learn and Fun. Today we're focusing on reading skills, a powerful way to improve your English. Reading helps you learn new words, understand sentence structures, and even improve your speaking. Let's start with some tips, exercises, and a fun story to practice together. Why reading is important. Reading is like opening a door to a new world. When you read, you absorb the way English is used in real life. It helps you expand your vocabulary, understand grammar naturally, improve your pronunciation when you read out loud. So, how can we practice reading effectively? Let me show you. Tips to practice reading skills. First, start with short and easy texts. If you're new to reading in English, don't jump into complicated books. Start with short stories, articles, or even children's books. They're simple, engaging, and fun. Second, read out loud. Reading out loud helps you connect the written words with their sounds. It's also great for improving pronunciation. Third, learn new words while reading. When you find a word you don't know, don't skip it. Write it down, look it up, and try using it in your own sentences. Exercise. Read this story. The Race of Determination. Emma was an ordinary girl from a small town. She loved to dream big, but often doubted her ability to achieve those dreams. One day, she heard about her town's annual race, a 5-kilometer run that attracted participants of all ages. She thought to herself, could I do it? Could I really run that far? At first, the idea seemed impossible. Emma wasn't a runner. In fact, she would get tired just walking to the market. But the thought of crossing the finish line filled her with excitement. She decided to give it a try. The first step. Emma knew she had to start somewhere. On the first day, she didn't try to run. Instead, she put on her sneakers and went for a short walk around the neighborhood. It wasn't much, but it was a start. The next day, Emma added a little jog to her walk. She ran for a few seconds, then walked again. It was harder than she expected. Her legs ached, and she felt out of breath. But Emma didn't give up. If I keep trying, I'll get stronger, she told herself. Learning from others. Emma started to watch videos about running techniques. She learned about pacing, stretching, and the importance of staying hydrated. She listened to experienced runners share their tips and tricks. One of them said, "The hardest part of any race is the beginning. Just start and the rest will follow." This advice stayed with Emma. She applied it not just to running, but also to other parts of her life. The breakthrough. A few weeks later, Emma noticed a change. She could run for longer without stopping. Her breathing was steadier, and her legs felt stronger. But more importantly, she felt proud of herself. Every step she took was proof that she could achieve her goals if she worked hard. One evening, while jogging, Emma saw a little boy watching her from his porch. He called out, "You're so fast, I want to run like you." Emma smiled. She wasn't fast yet, but his words reminded her of how far she had come. The day of the race. Finally, the big day arrived. Emma woke up early, nervous but excited. She joined the other runners at the starting line. As the whistle blew, she started running. The crowd cheered, and Emma felt a surge of energy. At first, the race felt easy, but halfway through, Emma's legs began to feel heavy. She wanted to stop. "No," she thought. "I've worked too hard to give up now." She remembered all the days she had practiced, the advice she had followed, and the little boy who wanted to run like her. Step by step, Emma pushed forward. When she finally crossed the finish line, tears filled her eyes. She hadn't come first, but she had completed the race. To her, that was the real victory. The lesson from Emma's journey. Emma's story is about more than running. It's about believing in yourself, starting small, and never giving up. Her determination and daily practice turned an impossible dream into reality. Learning to talk in English is just like Emma's race. At first, it may seem difficult, but with small, consistent efforts, like speaking simple sentences, listening to English videos, and practicing daily, you can achieve fluency. Practice like Emma. Let's take inspiration from Emma and practice together. I can improve my English step by step. Mistakes are okay, they help me learn. I will keep trying every day. Repeat these sentences aloud and remember, every small effort you make brings you closer to your goal. Emma's journey shows us that success isn't about being perfect, it's about showing up and trying every day. Whether it's running a race or learning English, the key is to start, practice, and never give up. So, take your first step today. Speak a sentence, read a story, or listen to a conversation and watch my previous videos. Like Emma, you're stronger and more capable than you think. Keep going, you've got this. Practice tip. Read this story out loud twice. The first time, focus on understanding the story. The second time, focus on your pronunciation. How to build a reading habit. Make reading a daily habit. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Set a time, like after breakfast or before bed, and stick to it. That's it for today's lesson. If you're Learn English in 30 days, I am running a Learn English in 30 days series on my channel, and so far, 2 days of lessons are complete. If you want to learn English in 30 days, make sure to check out my previous videos to help you practice your reading skills. Stay tuned because the complete 30-day strategy, tips and lessons will be uploaded daily. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss a single day. See you in the next lesson.